So this is Christine at Fibre Carpet Care again, and we're at the home again in Sydney, BC. And you can see here you're removing the massive stain that was in front of the chair in the living room. And you can see how well it's coming off with the CBS cleaner. Cleaner, brighter, softer. It's a fantastic product. Working extremely well on that stubborn stain. Some of these stains on this carpet, you have to be aware that they are bad and have been embedded in the carpet for quite some time, so they're not all going to completely come up, but it's a huge improvement as to the way it looked prior to the cleaning. So this is in process, and I'm going to take another video and show you the finished product as well. Now you can clearly see this area as well here too, another traffic area in this home. And that will come up just as nice as the one in front of the chair did. Definitely in need of a good cleaning, but it's going to look great afterwards. Give us a call, 778-433-9348. Fibre Carpet Care.